Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex. As you guys can see by today's title, Bath & Body Works had a $1 sale today. I got the email in my inbox last night while I was at work, and I figured, you know what? I have time today. I woke up early, went to the gym with my boyfriend. The mall opened at 10 in the morning, and I was there at 10 in the morning to do some shopping at Bath & Body Works. So I picked up a bunch of stuff. I know this bag looks small, but trust me, it is heavy, and there's a lot in there. And then all of this came because I was at the mall, and I can't just go into Bath & Body Works and leave. I don't go to malls as often now because of the virus. I do a lot of shopping online, but I was at the mall, so I figured I might as well take advantage, do some shopping. So I'm going to show you guys all of that. And fun, exciting thing, this video is actually sponsored by Samodra, so I will talk to you guys more about it. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So, I don't know what the hype is about toilet paper. I don't know how it is in the States or where you guys are from, but here toilet paper just seems to be what everybody needs for the pandemic. Like, there has been toilet paper sold out. At one point, toilet paper was impossible to find, and I mean impossible, and I don't understand how people put two and two together, like the virus and toilet paper. Like, how is that going to solve this pandemic? I don't know. My boyfriend has also been talking about this one product, and out of the blue, Samodra reached out to me because they are actually now providing their products here in Canada, which obviously I'm in Canada, and it is the bidet, which if you guys don't know what a bidet is, I honestly didn't either. This retails for $49.99, so it is affordable. You save paper. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna like 100% make the switch to the bidet yet. I'm gonna install it with my boyfriend and we'll see how it goes, but this is a great alternative to toilet paper, and honestly a lot of people talk about a bidet. So this is what it looks like outside the box. We just put it while we were installing it. Super easy to install. Took about 10 minutes. This is what it looks like when it's installed properly, and then this is just a close-up of the button and the modes and everything you can do with it. Again, shout out to Samodra for sponsoring this video and sending me a bidet. Trust me, my boyfriend was so excited, so this collab was more for him, but obviously I'm gonna use it too. I'll also have them linked in the description if you want to check them out. Moving on to Bath & Body Works, which is why you probably clicked the video to see what was on sale for $1. And this is everything I got. A lot of stuff. First things first, everything that was $1. Hand sanitizers. They're pocket back hand sanitizers. They had new scents. These are so freaking convenient. I just pop them in my car, in my little purses. Like, they fit perfectly in my Louis Vuitton purses, which is what I use. I use smaller purses. Also, my Lululemon pouch, which is super popular everywhere now. I want to do a what's in my bag, and definitely one of these is always in my bag. So I want to do a what's in my bag for those because I've been bringing my Lulu pouch like everywhere, but picked up a bunch of pocket bags. So let me show you. I also tried this new one, which I actually love the smell of this. It's kind of like cherry. I just really like the smell of this one, and I wanted something like Halloween-y and cute. This is Vampire Blood. It's not too overpowering, and I just absolutely love the way that this smells, so I got 2 of these. It's like cherry watermelon-ish. Next up, we obviously had to pick up some Peach Bellini. If you guys have seen any of my other hauls, I absolutely love Peach Bellini candles, and this is one of my favorite scents at Bath & Body Works. Next up, Champagne Toast obviously made the cut. Love me Champagne Toast. Vanilla Coconut was a new scent. I actually really like this. It kind of smells like, I don't really know how to describe it. Let me see. But it's like, I don't like the warm vanilla sugar, I believe it's called. I bought some of that before and I ended up not liking it, so I decided to go for vanilla coconut. I thought it would be like a really nice kind of beachy sunscreen, but also like a mix of sunscreen and pina colada is how I would kind of describe this scent. I don't know, but I like this one a lot better than the warm vanilla sugar. And lastly, I wanted to pick up a more like a boyish, manly kind of scent, so I got the eucalyptus and spearmint, and I'm gonna give this to my boyfriend so he can have it at his house and like when he goes out and everything. It definitely is more of a like manly kind of neutral scent. It's not florally or anything like that. Next up, we have these hand sprays. They were about $6 each and they were buy two get one free. I love using these while I am waitressing. I just pop it in my pouch when I'm waitressing, and then it's so easy and convenient for me literally just to grab it and start spraying my hand. I haven't tried the Bath & Body Works ones, but I saw them on the table near the hand sanitizers and they were on sale, so I figured I would use this. My boyfriend got me this other one, this other brand. I absolutely loved it. Alcohol things just give me like the biggest headache, which is why I like scented ones more. It's just the scent of alcohol would always give me a headache. My boyfriend gave me a different one. I cannot remember the brand for the life of me, but it was amazing and I loved it. But I also love smelling things from Bath & Body Works, so I figured I would test these out. Also picked up a bigger one. I like to have big ones like this inside my car and like at the bottom near the driver's seat where the cup compartment is, so I could just like, you know, squeeze it every time I get into my hand. This is Champagne Apple and Honey, which is a scent I would have never chosen myself, but they have it at the front and they make you put it on when you get into the store. It smells so good. It's like apple and honey, and I don't know, something about this just smells really good. It's not too strong either, very subtle and delicious, so I had to pick it up. Last time I was with my boyfriend, we tried this one. We left the store and we were like, we should have picked it up. We both really liked it, so this time when I went, I remembered, picked it up. Wasn't on sale, but again, I really liked it, so I figured I would pick it up. Next, we got some car scents. So I picked up Champagne Toast, A Endless Weekend, and Morning Air. They were 4 for $13, so that's why I got 4. And lastly, this cream. How pretty is the packaging? I didn't smell it at all. I saw the packaging. It is the rose one. I thought it was really cute, again, to go inside like my purses and everything. Only bought one because I didn't know the scent, like I said. I absolutely love this. I will definitely go buy more when I go back to Bath & Body Works. My mom really liked it also, so I am going to pick her one up. But this is just the Rose Shea Butter Hand Cream. And again, my hands kind of do get a little bit dry because I'm always sanitizing. Moving on, Shoppers Drug Mart. It is a drugstore that we have here in Canada. And Kylie Cosmetics and Kylie Skin just landed at the drugstore here. So I had to go pick up at least some things to test out. This is the Kylie Kai Brow. I got it in 002 Light Matte. And this is what the packaging looks like. And that is that. We'll swatch it quickly right here. It's basically just supposed to go under your brow and kind of highlight it. I really wanted to test this out. They also had the glittery one, but I thought the matte one would just be a little more subtle. I want subtle but a pop of highlight, so I figured the matte one was the one that I would go for. And next, I had to pick up Kylie Lip Kit. I know they just relaunched and they're more, I think they're vegan now or something like that. I don't know. I know they took down their Instagram for a while and then they just came back, so I assume this is the new packaging and a new formula. Comes with the liner and the liquid lipstick. I got this in the Bare Lip Kit. Oh, that pop. Oh, this is such a pretty color. It's like a neutral everyday color. Honestly, the thing with Kylie too that I used to notice, I feel like she was just relaunching the same colors, like very subtly different, just over and over, to be honest. But this is... That was a horrible swatch and I'm sorry. Price-wise, for my Canadians, if you are curious, they have the Kai Brow, which is this little brow highlighter, for $21, and the lip kit runs for $37. So for both of these with taxes, I paid $65.54. Is it expensive? Yes, but I just wanted to grab it and see. Moving on. Nespresso, had to do it. Had to go to Nespresso, always do. Can you guys guess which pods I bought? I mean, I'm obsessed with these one pods and I buy them all the time, so if you have not yet guessed, it is the one and only Bianco Leggero. I picked up 4 cases of this just so I wouldn't have to go to the mall. This is it. For 40 pods, I paid $39.20, so just in case you guys are wondering, $39.20 for 40 pods, so 40 coffees. Not bad. Moving on, we have Vans. I love working out in Vans for leg days. I have the all black ones and then I have a gray and white ones, but recently I wanted these and I just bit the bullet and I just got them because might as well, I wanted them. They're all white. I don't know if these look good or if these look like nurse shoes. I'm kind of debating in between, but I feel like it'll look really cute with like a white shirt and white shoes, and I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Does this look like nurse slip-ons, like shoes? Like, are these not cute? Because I think they're cute, and I wanted all white shoes. I don't like Converse also. I don't know what it is about Converse and my feet, but I feel like they just are so big and they kind of look like clown shoes, and I feel like these are made smaller and more round, where Converse are like longer and weirder looking. So that's why I personally prefer Vans. It's just a personal preference. And lastly, I didn't buy this at the mall, but I'm so excited and appreciative of Fanola. Fanola sent me more hair products. If you guys don't know, they sent me hair products, I want to say almost a year ago, and I found my holy grail hair mask and shampoo, and I just absolutely love it. I love them. I will have them linked in the description again. But oh my gosh, okay, look how cute. Again, another Polaroid. This is the cutest thing. They took a picture from my Instagram and turned it into a cute Polaroid. Look at that. That's on my Instagram. So cute. P.S. Shameless plug, if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me right now. But look at this. I'm obsessed. Honestly, like, I should just give this to my boyfriend. I had the other one too that they sent me last time. This one is really cute. I love this picture. The dress is from H&M. I was drinking Starbucks and my boyfriend and I went on a walk and I was in this really cute dress and I love it. So thank you, Fanola. That is honestly so cute. They also did send a cute little handwritten card, which I absolutely love companies that do this, and I always thank them for just taking the time out of their day to write this. This is everything that they sent me. Obviously, my holy grail mask. Let's start off with that. It is this mask. You guys absolutely need this mask. Again, here it is. Screenshot it, whatever. It'll be linked in the description. I have naturally wavy hair. My mom has super curly ringlet hair and she loves this. I have naturally wavy hair. It works perfect for both of our hair types. Absolutely recommend this. It's super affordable. You guys know I've tested out Olaplex and all of those like hype brands, and trust me, honestly, like, I returned my Olaplex from Sephora after using it for like a week and I was like, I can use this. After one day, I noticed how soft my hair was. Absolutely love it. Can't go wrong with this. This is my third one, and I know for sure I'm gonna need refills. Like, I'm just gonna keep using that. But I also saw this one on their site, and this is for curly and wavy hair. So again, my mom has super curly hair and I have wavy hair, so I did want to try this one out. Have not tried it just yet. I'm still obsessed with this one. This one was actually opened already because I did already use it and I have been using it, but I grabbed it from my shower so I could show you guys. But this one is still sealed. I'm excited for that. Oh, this one smells so good. Another bonus, it smells really good. I also picked up restricting cream for split ends. So I don't have split ends. I usually get haircuts, but recently with the lockdown and everything, it took me forever to get a haircut. I did just chop off all my split ends, but I still want to start using this to kind of combat split ends from happening. Again, this smells really good. I actually have the conditioner for this one. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm excited to see if this one works. Next up, we got this Keraterm shampoo. It is the same type of hair mask, so I figured if I use these two together, it could be an unstoppable match. This shampoo along with the mask also helps with frizziness, which I love, and like, I cannot say enough good things about this. I also have a spray, which, oh my gosh, a little off track, but I have my own webpage on Fanola where I talk about my favorite products. If you guys want to go check that out, again, it'll be linked in the description. I forgot to mention that earlier, but I was so excited when they asked me if I wanted my own like landing page. I was like, yes, that would be so cool, and I love Fanola. I just remembered because I have the spray, and the spray is on my top 3 things that I love from Fanola. But I don't know, I'm testing out a bunch of new products, so I might go and like update the list in a little bit. And lastly, my ride or die shampoo and conditioner. I have the Purity shampoo. This is for like dry scalps because I do straighten my hair a lot and I put a lot of heat on it. I like to use this just to keep my hair like looking good and everything. And the conditioner is the restricting conditioner. So when I do not use the hair mask, which I use the hair mask a lot to be honest, and majority of the time, but when I'm not using it, I use this. So this one does last me a little bit longer just because I go in with the hair mask a lot more than I do with this. I don't like to put too much conditioner because I am training my hair to be washed only once or twice a week. So I'm trying to do that right now, but majority of the time I am using that hair mask, but I still absolutely love the smell of this and how this makes my hair also. So I figured I would just ask for a backup in this package also. So that is everything that I got today at the mall. This is why I don't go to the malls, because I spend way too much money, and yeah, we got a lot of stuff. So shout out again to Samoja for sponsoring today's video. I will have them linked in the description. And also, if you're not following me yet, subscribe. I have so many other great videos. I do clothing hauls and mukbangs, so you definitely want to be subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!